All right, so this Black & Decker portable air conditioning unit is awesome. I love it. All right, it looks like this thing's got some wheels on it and it can really roll. Woohoo! Oh, it rolls a little too good. But good thing it does. I mean, it's not too heavy, but you know, if you were carrying this around, like I'm going to carry this upstairs and put it in some rooms up there, it can get a little bit heavy. So roll it when you can. Let's see what we have. We got some insulation, then we got some fittings, and we got a hose. Let's go ahead and put these fittings together so that we can connect the vent hose together. This thing does get really hot. It's going to blow a lot of hot air out of the back of the AC unit, so we need to get that hot air out of the garage. And then we'll connect the hose to it. This is kind of nice. It doesn't need any clamps or anything. You just screw it on. So that's kind of cool. You just got to make sure you pull it out all the way to get this thing to screw on here. And once you get that on nice and tight, you just pop it into the back of the unit. There you go. Okay, we got that screwed back in. Well, we got this coming out at 68 degrees right now, and that feels really nice. Oh, that feels good. All right, we got the hose hooked up on the back here. It does take up a little bit of room. You can't push it into the wall, but if we put it right here, we can rotate it around wherever we want. What kind of... Looks like this is just one directional here. Oh man, that feels good. Okay, looks like our max is 90. We can go all the way down to 64. Oh, that feels cold. Yeah, that's working really good. All right, good old Black & Decker air conditioning unit. The only negatives I have in the review is it seems like that panel is a little flimsy and it didn't have the holes drilled in the right place, or I didn't put it together right, I'm not sure which. And then it takes up a little bit of room with this hose. You can see the space between the wall here. I'll get a tape measure and measure that. All right, so it looks like it's sitting almost a foot away from the wall. So that's kind of a negative. But if you live in a subdivision where they don't allow you to have a window unit, this is a great alternative. Plus, this is portable. We can put this in other rooms in the house. As a matter of fact, I'm going to do that. I'm going to take it upstairs and put it by my desk. I'm going to put it over by my wife's office. I mean, and this is great because if you have your air conditioner set and the house feels fine, but maybe one room is a little too warm and you don't want to cool your whole house down, you could just put one of these in there and cool down that one specific room. Oh man, I'm just so excited to finally be turning my garage into my dream workshop. I got my Black & Decker air conditioner, I got my garage door insulation, I got my wind air filtration system up there, I got my wind dust collector, and I'm just making all kinds of progress. I'm building my dream garage one tool at a time, and I can't wait for the next one. All right, I'll go ahead and do a second review on this in a couple weeks and let you know what I think of it. But so far, so good. Oh man, this feels great. Oh man, this feels good. 64 degrees. I'm just gonna sit right here for a few minutes. This feels awesome. All right, thumbs up to the Black & Decker portable air conditioner unit. This thing is awesome.